Do subscribe to Ekeeda channel and press bell icon to get updates about latest engineering, HSC and IIT JEE main and advanced videos.
Students, in this video, we will discuss about question number 37, NEET Physics paper 2015. Student, let us solve question number 37. Two similar springs, P and Q, have spring constants Kp and Kq. So there are two springs. This is spring P, this is spring Q, and its constants are Kp and Kq. These are the spring constants of these two springs. Okay. It says that Kp is greater than Kq, so Kp is greater than Kq is given. They are stressed. Now they are stressed first by the same amount. If they are stressed by same amount, suppose this is stressed by x distance and this is also stressed by x distance. This is case 1. Case A, where they are stressed by same amount, that is x is same. Then by same force. In case 2, case B, these two springs are stressed by same force. So here F is same. So these are the two cases. First we will keep x same, and another time we will keep the F in both the springs same. That means the amount of deforming force, the external force in both the cases we are applying same. So in this situation, the question is the work done by the springs Wp and Wq are related as Wp. So work done here in this case, suppose this is Wp. In this case the work done here is Wq. So the work done in the spring in both the cases, in case 1 and case B, case A and case B respectively. So in both the cases we have to find the work done and see which of these four options is correct. So if I think of the case 1, when both the springs are stressed by same amount, so the amount of deformation in these two springs are same, then we know that work done is given by the formula is given by, that is, half k of x square. That means if a spring is stressed by distance x, then the work done is given by half k x square. Now in this particular situation, when x is same in both the springs, x is same, half is same, so what is related is w is proportional to k. That means the spring having more k will have more w, and as given in the question, is given that kp is greater than, because kp is given, kp is greater than kq, this is greater, corresponding work done will be greater because they have a linear relationship. So if kp is greater than kq, then work done p will also be greater than work done q. So for case A, this is the right choice. So for Wp is greater than Wq, this is also correct. Wp is less than Wq, no. Wp and Wp is equal to Wq, no. Wp is equal. So that means this is option number 1 is correct. You may not go for the solution of option any other this option. You should not solve for case B, because in the first case Wp is greater than Wq, we are directly getting here. So Wp is greater than Wq, Q is only present in option 1 and there is no other options. Okay, so therefore this should be the answer. But still, if we have to find the options, then we will see this case as well, where the force is same. For case B, the force is same in both the wires P, the springs P and Q. Now the work done is always given by the expression half kx squared. But here the force is same and there is no force expression here. So first let us write force, introduce force in this expression. Obviously in terms of x we'll write F, and we know that F is kx. Force is proportional to x. So from x I can write from this equation that x will be F upon k. This will come down. So obviously x squared will be F squared divided by k squared. This value of x squared is substituted here, so it will be half of k F squared over k squared, and this comes out to be 1k will cancel. This is half of F squared over k. This is the formula that we are going to use for case B. So for case B, half is constant, k I know, force is taken constant. In this situation force is same, this is a constant, this is also constant, so W and K are inversely related. That means in this case if this is more, the corresponding W will be less, because which K is more, it is given P's K is more, because Kp is greater than Kq, because this is more, corresponding work done, that means Wp will be less than Wq. This is the answer to that. So therefore Wp is less than Wq, or Wq is greater than Wp. So Wq is greater than Wp. Automatically this will come. So therefore this is the right answer to this question. Okay, thank you.